Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to create vector sliced letter effect logo design in Adobe Illustrator. Please watch entire tutorial. You can use any font. Type V letter. Font size 500 point. Select letter and right click and create outline. Draw a line. Angle 15 degree. Place line over the V letter. Where do you want to cut? Copy Ctrl C. Paste in front Ctrl F. Select line and right click and transform and reflect. Select vertical. Now select all. Use Shape Builder tool. Shortcut Shift M. Press over the shape with Shape Builder tool to cut. Ungroup Shift Ctrl G. Fill color R27, G20, B100. Fill color R158, G0, B39. Delete. Move down shape. Move up shapes. Draw an oval shape. Fill gray color R128, G128, B128. Go to Effect menu and Stylize and Feather. Radius 50 pixel. Draw a horizontal box shape. Select both shapes and right click and make clipping mask. Ctrl 7. Select shape and double click on rotate tool. Angle 15 degree. Use pen tool. Draw a shape. You can pick color with eyedropper tool. Shortcut I. Select shape and drag with the Alt key for duplicate shape. Select shape and right click and transform and reflect. Select vertical. Again select shape and right click and transform and reflect. Select horizontal. You can adjust shape with the direct selection tool. Draw shapes with the pen tool. Shortcut P. Select shapes and drag with Alt key for duplicate shape. Rotate 180 degree. Use eyedropper tool to pick color. Arrange shapes randomly. Rotate -15 degree. Reduce size of the shape. Finally, your create vector sliced letter effect logo design is now ready. Please follow step by step and it's easy way to create sliced letter design in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.